Shoulda never. Shoulda never. Shoulda never.
I try to tell myself you're never gonna get it again. Laying here next to you, not what I intended again. How did you crack a code when don't nobody know how to get me in position?
I thought I blocked you found another way to get in. Through all my inner thoughts, I'm thinking about us getting in it. On every countertop, I'm yelling, please don't stop. And you know where it's going.
Somebody told me this was it. That you was on some different. I would've made a decision that was better than this. Instead of wasting my time, I tried to stop myself in time. I did it anyway, I probably should've never hit it. When I knew better, but I didn't do no better. I just wasted my time.
Twisted, I ain't never been no regular type.
I'm not so into you that I'm gonna let my good years go by.
Just cause you laid it down and knocked it out like dominoes, that don't give you no permission to look me over when you know that I've been you good. Why pull me in to push me out just cause you know that you could?
That's how I end up in a slip and fall in love
again.
Right back in
the same position.
Somebody told me this was it.
Then
that you was on some different.
When somebody told me I would've made a decision that was better than this. Instead of wasting my time,
I tried to stop myself in time.
Did it anyway.
I did it anyway. I probably should've never hit it. When I knew better, but I didn't do no better. I was wasting my time.
Okay, Usher, baby, look. Every time that I tell myself that I'm probably gonna let you go, I get one foot out the door, then you come and pull me back for more. You know I can't resist you, that's my issue. Forget the we've been through, cause you always put it down for me, make it disappear like alchemy.
They call me KEHLANI, Nene with the ill nana. Tsunami take you under, this body hit like thunder. This ain't no one hit wonder, here's another. Cause I'm red like a Mona Lisa, to treat me like a masterpiece. I try to stop myself in time. I did it anyway, I probably should've never hit it. When I knew better, but I didn't do no better. I was wasting my time. If somebody told me this was it,
I would never believe
that you was on some different. I would've made a decision that was better than this. Instead of wasting my time.